Hi, I'm Mark Donovan from HomeEditionPlus.com. Today I'm going to show you what happened to our pool this winter and give you a few tips on how you can prevent the damage that occurred to our pool. What you're looking at is the results of snow and ice damage to a pool. What transpired with this pool is that due to heavy snow during the winter months and my inability to get out after every snowstorm and remove the snow from the top surface of the pool cover, the pool wound up collapsing. And what actually happened was a large formation of ice built up the top of the pool, approximately 1.5 feet thick, and with all of the pressure of the snow on top and weather conditions, the liner actually was split. And the water drained from the bottom of the pool, and the large disc-shaped ice basically settled lower into the pool, and as it settled, the brownish tarp that you see there sank. And the brownish tarp was held in place by a wire cord, as you can see right there, and as the cover went down, that wire cord wound up pulling in the top sides of the pool, so that now you see a twisted up piece of metal, basically. And so at this point, this pool is non-recoverable, and I'm going to need to tear it down. In order to have prevented this problem, basically there's two things that could have been done or should have been done to save this pool or to prevent this from happening. Number one, it's important to keep up with the removal of the snow from the surface of the pool cover. Again, we had approximately 3 feet of snow in the month of January alone, and it was just impossible to keep up with the removal of the snow. Second of all, instead of using this type of wire cord to hold the cover on, which wraps around the top edge of the pool, we could have used small lines with milk jugs filled with water, so that in the event the lining did break, which was the case here, the pool cover would have basically dropped down and not have pulled in the sides of the pool. So as you can see here, effectively we've got a total loss to this pool, and it's going to have to come down. And we'll debate whether or not we want to put in a new pool or give up on the whole process altogether. As you can see, the pool frame structure is twisted and bent. The liner itself is torn and ripped, and the sheet metal that basically acts as a structural outer surface is twisted and bent and actually folded along the base near the ground. So if you live in a northern climate where you have lots of cold weather and snow and ice, make sure you keep up with removing the snow from the surface of the pool as the snow comes down. Second of all, you may want to consider not using a wire line to hold the cover on, so that in the event the liner does break and the cover sinks down, it won't pull in the top edges of the pool. If you have other home improvement questions, visit us at HomeEditionPlus.com today.